So, why did you decide to come to the US and not to any other country?
My mom came here for her work and she kind of inspired me and motivated me to come here for my higher education. And when I did some research, I realized that the programs here are very open ended. You do not really have to do a single stream of study. In the 2 years, you can explore cybersecurity, software engineering, database management systems, human computer interaction, as well as machine learning. And this openness of the curriculum gave me the opportunity to kind of experiment, explore, and find my true calling. And that's why I came here.
Okay, with the current buzz of machine learning and artificial intelligence, as a professional who's working in that industry, do you feel that people's jobs can be at risk in the long run?
That's a good question. I think skill sets will change. The kind of roles that we are currently studying for and working in will need to get more expertized, and we really need to understand our basics better. I think one thing that I really believe in is when we started learning coding and software engineering, we did not have ChatGPT or any kind of large language models. So we really went deep down into the framework to understand and debug our programs. Whereas the current generation obviously has a lot of tools at disposal. So making sure that your basics are strong is something that a lot of times you lack. So definitely skill sets will need to change, the roles will evolve, but I feel that there'll be more jobs because ML and AI always need some sort of supervision up to a certain point, because at the end of the day you're training things on data and data needs constant refinement and data drifts need to be identified. So yeah, maybe they won't take our jobs, but you might need to train for different jobs.